In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Steam games to another drive. If you're running low on space, upgrading to a faster SSD, or just want to organize your library, this process is quick and safe. Your saves and achievements are tied to your account, so moving the installation files won't affect your progress. Before we start, make sure the destination drive is connected, has enough free space for the game or games you plan to move, and that the titles you want to move aren't running or updating. First, open Steam. Give it a moment to fully load your library and check for updates. It's a good idea to pause any active downloads so the move can use your full disk speed. Next, click the Steam menu in the top left and choose Settings. This is where Steam keeps its app-wide controls. In newer versions, the design is clean and straightforward, so you should find what you need quickly. Inside Settings, go to Storage. This section shows your existing Steam library folders, how much space is used on each drive, and the list of installed games. It's a great place to confirm which drive currently holds your large titles and how much room you have on the destination. Now, select the game or games you want to move. You can click a single title or hold the appropriate modifier key to select multiple. Consider starting with the largest games if your goal is to free up space fast. If you don't see a game, use the search bar to filter the list. Click Move. Steam will prompt you to pick where you want the files to go. Choose the new drive from the list of library folders. If the drive doesn't yet have a Steam library, Steam will guide you to create one on that drive. Accept the default folder name unless you have a specific structure in mind. For external or secondary drives, it's best to keep the drive connected consistently so Steam always finds the files. On Windows, using an NTFS drive typically works best. Finally, wait for the transfer to finish. The time it takes depends on the game size and the speed of both drives. Avoid closing Steam or putting your computer to sleep during this process. You'll see a progress bar and status updates. When it completes, the game's location updates automatically. That's it. The next time you launch the game, it will run from the new drive, and you'll have reclaimed space on the old one. You can repeat the same process for any other titles, and you can always move them back